Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to send location on WhatsApp. Friends, if you are calling someone to your home or office or any other place, then a best practice is to send current location with the address of the place. So to send current location on WhatsApp, we need to open the chat window of the person. Now suppose we want to send our current location to this person, then we simply need to press on this attachment icon and here we need to press on location. In location we simply need to press on send your current location. Now our current location is shared with the person. So friends, like this you can very easily share your current location with anyone on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.